Nolan here with Toyota City in Wetaskiwin, here to show you today our weekly special. Today we have the 2016 RAV4 Limited and a very nice white. This vehicle is only sitting at 37,000 kilometers, so really low, lots of life left in it. Originally priced at $36,984, just reduced to $32,949. So a really good buy right now. So smart key system, push start, everything very convenient. You can take a peek inside. Everything is leather, mint condition. You got your heated steering wheel, Bluetooth ready, heated seats, dual climate control. Memory seating over here so you can switch between family, couples, anything. Very convenient. And then we'll come around to the back side over here and show off the power hatch, which everybody loves. And you can open it right up and see all the space. So lots of space in there. You got your little cargo net. Nothing's going to be sliding around. And then we'll take a peek in the back and we'll finish up here. And again, tons of space. Leather's mint. Very nice vehicle at a very good price. And yeah, that's our weekly special. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Nolan. If you want to know more, you can always shoot me a text or a call, 780-977-9050. This is Toyota City, home of the invoice-based pricing, and let your legacy begin here.